We are live. I'm following a cat now. Lingnan University is in fact a cat colony. It's amazing. There is, hey. There are so many strays that live on campus. And, hey. This cat's a little whimsical. He's just rolling around earlier. I think he's hunting or something. Hey, what's up? Hey. And well, I've seen at least a dozen cats hang out around here. And you know, on the one hand, they're enticed to congregate here because I'm sure there's great hunting. On the other hand, the university, in fact, maybe it's the university's president who has the soft heart, but the university actually provides food for the cats and shelter. So you see, the cats actually have places to stay here. They have these boxes and they get food, and you can see these places of refuge, feline refuge, all over campus. That's pretty cool.